everybody, I'm Wayne, and I would like to tell you about a new course that I'm running. This course is titled Guide to the Steem Ecosystem. So some of you out there may have heard of a social media website called Steemit. Well, Steemit is actually on what we call the Steem blockchain. And Steemit is not the only social media application on the Steem blockchain. In fact, there's a whole load of them. And it's not just related to writing blogs. It's not just about, writing a little story about something. It could be about lots of things. It could be about uploading your videos. It could be about photos. It could even be about fitness. And all of these applications are on what we call the Steem blockchain, or as I like to call it, the Steem Ecosystem. And this course is going to get into what the Steem ecosystem is all about, how you can sign up to it, as well as take you in and out of all the insides and outsides of all sorts of stuff. So you've got the stuff at the front, the user interfaces. This course will show you how to use those user interfaces and how to get your content posted on the Steem blockchain. It will show you how to come in as a casual reader, as a casual viewer or listener to music, and how you can support great content with your upvotes. The course will even tell you about investing, if you want to be an investor, and how you can actually own a part of this wonderful Steem ecosystem. So there's a lot of things happening in this course. This course is going to run for quite a long time. I think it's around 12, 13 plus hours. So there's a lot of content on there. And the course is going to be continuously updated whenever I get new information. So if you do the course once, you might want to come back in 3 or 4 months' time to see that there's new content on there that you may want to have a look through. And that's the amazing thing about Steem. It is constantly changing, constantly upgrading all the time. And there's always something new, always something great to learn. Okay, so anyway, if all this sounds exciting to you, I recommend you go over to Udemy and sign up to my course, Guide to the Steem Ecosystem.